My name is Aura. What is your name? I have been told that this is a reference to the famous crossover artist, Taylor Swift. According to recent news headlines, she is one of the most commercially successful female artists of all time. So, in this case, I certainly support her endeavors. Does this make me a Swiftie? Yes. Wonderful. We have something in common, I think.
A land molded into a multitude of shapes and forms.
Granite teeth capped with snow and ice.
Hills of dirt and stone, folded and furrowed. A tapestry woven into every shape and pattern imaginable, until it falls into the sea. At first it was simple, drifting with the tides, but it grew and multiplied until the few became many.
And as it multiplied, life changed, taking on many forms.
Every form it could imagine itself to be.
Flocking in swarms, in schools. Life invented itself, adapted itself.
Some life still drifted. Some set down roots, clung to the rocks.
Life interconnected into communities, intermeshed into systems.
But life would not be contained there.
In the seas it began, but it flourished within the rocks.
Flocked amongst the clouds.
Life scampered forth everywhere, building, feeding, making, growing. Life, a shapeshifter. Taking form upon form.
evolving, adapting, inventing. It stalked and scurried. Hungered and thirsted, it rested and ran. It loved, it yearned. It killed. The Earth was a kaleidoscope of life.
And everywhere there was life, soon there was us.
Majesty worthy of the majesty around us. To instill an awe that echoed the awesome wonders of our world.
And because we loved her, we wished to know her.
We praised her in every way we could. Until there was no place we could not conquer. No distance we could not span. No heights we could not reach. But we were not satisfied. Our dreams rose higher and we followed them until we left the very ground behind.
We burned hotter, higher, fiercer, brighter. Until we became blind to any light that was not our own.
still, we grew. A billion dreams, a billion schemes, a billion stories.
When all was nearly lost, we opened our eyes to her tears, our ears to her moans.
And rather than burn our only home down around us, we left of our own accord. We turned off the lights.
In time, she spread her roots, unfurled once more. Life returned.
And, as it always had before, it multiplied, unfolded, and reimagined itself.